Okay, this question is from June 2014, paper 1, question number 6, the question 27 from the book. The first, second, and third geometrical progression are the first 9 and 21st term of arithmetic progression. So if you just look into GP, your T1 is always A, your T2 is AR, and your T3 is AR square. And similar way, if we look into AP, so first, second, third of geometrical progression are first, 9th, and 21st of, so term 1, term 9th, and term 21st. So this should be A. Term 9 is A plus 8D, and term 21st is A plus 20D. So most importantly, what we need is that the question has said the first term of each progression is 8. And the common ratio of geometrical progression is R, which is not equal to 1. Find the value of R. So that means the question clearly wants us to find out value of R. So considering that we can do AR is equal to A plus 8D. So this is 8R is equal to 8 plus 8D. Now, knowing the fact that this becomes your first equation from T2 is equal to T9, GP and AP T9. Similarly, GP and AP, so this is T3 is equal to T21. T3 is AR square is equal to A plus 20D, whereas A is 8R square is equal to 8 plus 20D. So since we need to have what? We need to find out D, or we need to find out R. So the two equations that we have is 8R is equal to 8 plus 8D. This can be written as 8R minus 8 upon 8 is equal to D. Let's take 8 as common. This becomes R minus 1 upon 8 is equal to D. So 8 and 8 is cancelled. R minus 1 is equal to D. Now considering the fact that since D is equal to R minus 1, so let's just substitute in equation 2. 8 R square is equal to 8 plus 20D. And your D is R minus 1. R square is equal to 8 plus 20 R minus 1. 8R square is equal to 8 plus 20R minus 20. 8R square minus 20R. This should be minus 12. And this should be plus 12 when it comes on the other side. So what we can do is we can understand that the question says that we can simplify this. 4R square minus 10R plus 6 is equal to 0. Similarly, this can also reduce on 2R square minus 5R plus 3. So 2 3s are 6, 2R square minus 6R plus R plus 3 is equal to 0. 2R as common, R we have minus 3 plus 1 R plus 3 is equal to 0. We need to consider that obviously minus 6, and is there can be any other 2 3s are 6, 2 and 3 can also be factor for this. 2R square minus 2R minus 3R plus 3 is equal to 0. Since we do not have brackets same, so this thing will be cancelled out. So we have 2R, R minus 1, minus 3, R minus 1 is equal to 0. R, 2R minus 3 is equal to 0. R minus 1 is equal to 0. R is equal to 3 upon 2 and R is equal to 1. Now the question clearly said that do not consider R as 1. So the answer for this will be R is equal to 3 upon 2. Now this was part 1 of the question. The question clearly says the fourth term of each progression. So now what we know is GP, fourth term is ARQ. So A is 8, R is 3 upon 2, and Q. So that means 8. This will be 27 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. That means 54. Term 4 is equal to 54. Ones are 3 to the power cube is 27. Let's correct one thing because it's a cube. So this should be 8, 3 upon 8 cube. 3 upon 8, this should be 27. So 8 and 8 is cancelled, so 27. Term 4 becomes what? 27 as your answer. But you need term 4 for what? Term 4 for AP as well. So A plus 3D, you already know that it is 8 plus 3D. So we need to find D as well. And D was this. D was R minus 1. So let's write down D as R minus 1. D is equal to 3 upon 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2 upon 2. So D is 1 upon 2. So considering T4, 8 plus 3, 1 upon 2, T4, taking down LCM, 8 twos is 16, 16 plus 3 is 90, 90 divided by 2, we will have 9.5. So T4 becomes 9.5. Now, this was the question from June 2014, paper 1, question number 6, question 27 from the book. Topic is arithmetic progression and geometrical progression.